Hi, in this quick tip tutorial we will learn how to change the position of the pivot point without selecting and going to the hierarchy panel, then clicking the affect pivot only, changing the position, then turn it off. What we need to do is to select an object, click the insert button on the keyboard, now you can change the position of the pivot point. I will activate snap and I will relocate the pivot point. To turn this off, press insert again. Now I will press insert. Now this is the selected object. Now in this mode, if I select another object, you will be in the mode, in this mode of, you can change the pivot point of this newly selected object. If I click this one, click insert again to turn it off. And that's it for this quick tip tutorial. Hope you like it. If you do, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Thank you.